What's up, all my up next baby? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video.
Okay, so from the title, today I'll be doing a different type of video. It's not going to be like one of my normal videos. Today I'm going to show y'all how I decorate and organize my vanity set. So I got me a new vanity table that I'm going to be using, and then I got some new drawers, and I got me a little plant. I'm going to show y'all all of that. But yeah, so I just decided that I wanted to like spruce it up because I was getting tired of the vanity that I have. Actually, the vanity that I have is more of a desk. It's not even a vanity, and I just wanted to get something cute. So when I get my apartment, I'm already on there. I already got everything. So yeah, the table I got is from IKEA, and the drawers I got are from Michael's. I just leave the links below because I don't know the price off the top of my head of neither one. I think the drawers from Michael's was like, it might have came up to about $42. I don't know for sure, but like I said, I'm gonna leave the links down below. And my plant I got from Walmart. You can just get it out the plant area from Walmart. This is my second baby. I'm a parent of 3 now, y'all. I'm a parent of 3. 1 is a real child, and the other 2 is plants. My vanity right now is really messy, junky. It's stuff all over it, like hair stuff. And beside it, I have you know, like the things that they use in the hair salon where you can put your dryer, your flat irons, and then you slide the door up. I have one of those too, but I'm gonna keep that there because that's gonna keep all my hair stuff, like most of my hair stuff in. And then on the other side, I have my drawers where I keep my business stuff in. So yeah, it's just really junky, and I don't like how it's looking right now. I'm gonna probably end up selling the desk because it's not nothing wrong with the desk. It probably just need repainting, and that's it. But I'm gonna show y'all a video. I'm gonna show y'all a clip of what my vanity is looking like right now. So y'all, this is what my vanity is looking like right now. It's just stuff everywhere. Got brushes and stuff up there. Just stuff everywhere. And this is the area over here where I got like a mannequin head, and I got like this, all this stuff back here. And I got a plant. And then there's some more stuff like on the floor. So I'm just about to get this whole area straightened out. And I'm just gonna show y'all how I do it. Okay, yeah, so y'all seen a clip of what it's looking like. It's looking real rough. Like, I got a lot of cleaning to do. But this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm about to put this table together, how I'm about to put these drawers together, and how I'm about to just decorate everything. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe. Oh, y'all see I got on my sweet sweatband. These are the bands that I will start selling whenever I get my shipment. My shipment is not coming into June now. Like, this, it's getting ridiculous. Like, they pushed it back, and it was already going to take a minute to get here. Then they pushed it even further back. So now it's not coming into, like, June, which I'm upset because I'm ready to get the show on the road. I'm ready to start selling my waistband. So hopefully my designer headbands come in before then. Yeah, so y'all go subscribe. Make sure you go follow my Instagram right here, LexUpNext. And go follow my Instagram of where I'm posting all of my stuff that I'm selling, which is how I forget it, Shop Alexis Monet. That's the Instagram to go follow if you want to purchase some of my stuff. Right now is just the lashes. I have 3D mix Siberian handmade lashes, 3D mix Siberian handmade lashes, and then I have and it's 25 mm, and they're $15 a piece. I also have setting spray, and then I'm gonna get, I have setting spray, and then I'm selling vendors also. So if y'all need lash vendor, what else I got? First slides vendors or sunglass vendors, I have that. I also was selling my designer bonnet vendor, but I think I'm gonna stop since my packages is on the way. So I'm gonna stop. So it was first come first serve. If you ain't buy it from me, you missed out, because there was 3 different bonnet vendors. I might just sell regular bonnet vendors, but not the designer ones that I'm gonna be selling. So yeah, if you missed out on that, I don't know what to tell you. I was selling 3 vendors for $15. I feel like that was a good deal, and they was all legit vendors. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get into this video. I ain't trying to ramble a lot. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so I know I look kind of crazy from down here, but I'm about to start on the table. This table was already put together before, but to move it, to transport it, we had to take the legs off. So that's why it's not in a box still. Yeah, so I got the screws right here in a Ziploc bag. And these are the screws that came with it. And I just got a screwdriver. And these are the legs. All the legs look the same. And basically, I hope y'all can see. Basically, you just put it on like this with the screws. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to just speed up the video because I know y'all don't want to just sit here and watch me screw. Okay, so now I'm about to just push this to the side so I can start on the drawers. I hope the drawers don't take that long, but okay. So I'm gonna just push this. This thing is heavy. Like, it don't look that heavy, but it is heavy. Okay. Okay. Look at these directions. There's a hole in the mirror. Oh my god. This is gonna get real. Got wood chips on me. So I think I'm gonna put this together and then I'm gonna come back because this may take a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and put it together and then I'm gonna come back once it's done. Y'all, so I finally finished. This had to take me about 2 hours. Like, this is ridiculous. If you're gonna get a white drawer, get it from IKEA. Don't get it from Michael's because for one, it took me forever to do this. For two, like, some of the stuff, the wood wasn't lined up, so I feel like it's not even all the way on there like it's supposed to be. But I guess you get what you pay for. But yeah, so this is what it looks like from the top. And it just got drawers all the way down. And then I put the wheels on the bottom. I'm so tired, y'all. I don't even feel like doing the rest. I didn't know that was gonna take that long, but okay. I'm about to finish. Okay, so I'm about to show y'all what I got in these drawers over here. This is my drawers that I keep all my business stuff in over here. So up top, I mean, it's not much, because, and some of my stuff is not even in here. It's in my little traveling case. But I usually keep my spoolies, the ones up here, like those type of ones. Then I have my business cards for my shop, the business cards right here. Then I have some of my lashes in here. The rest of them are in my traveling case. This is the stuff that I use to make my setting spray. Then down here I have like all the labeling stuff. So I have this, some little cute bags and my shipping bags, and then some labels at the bottom, some bubble wrap. Okay, so over here, starting on the desk, up here I have some makeup, some Super Stay, 24 Hour Super Stay Maybelline, and then I have some black opals. I also have the cream black opal, and then Ruby Kisses. Just little random things that I do my makeup with if I'm at home. This is not what I would normally use on my face or on a client's face. This is just little makeup I had that I need to put on real quick for a picture or a video, not for nothing for real. Then I have my 2 candles right here. Let me focus. So it's not gonna focus. Yeah, I gotta manually focus because I got this DSLR. But I got champagne toast in a small and then in a bigger one. Then my laptop with my logo across the laptop. I have a little notebook journal that says you can. I have my crystals over here on this cute little unicorn. I don't even know what that is, but it was cute. And this is my new plant that I just bought. I don't know if I'm going to keep it right here, or sometimes I may take it to the window just so it can get the sunlight it needs, because it is a succulent plant, so it needs sunlight and not too much water. Then I have like my brushes, my makeup brushes, and other little stuff over here. Over here I just got like the little caddy, and I got my stuff that I wash with, you know what you get when you get out the shower, like some Dove lotion, just little knick-knack, you know, some more cleaning stuff like to take a shower with, some bubble bath in the back. Then I just have my flat irons and hot comb and the blow dryer right there. Over here is just everything that's, I don't even feel like going through all that. It's everything that's hair, so hair supplies in here. So I got some more flat irons and curlers at the bottom, and then I have like stuff that I would use on my hair. Over here I have, see the Buddha head, so cute. I got this where did I get this from? I think I got this from Ross or Burlington. It was one of them, but yes, it was a decent price too, but it is so cute. Then I have like my spiritual stuff over here. I got some sage, I got some Palo Santo, I got a feather, a shell, a seashell. I have some incense, all that, sea salt candles, and Florida water. Down here is just extra stuff. Like I don't even want to get into all that. Like I got nail stuff, hair stuff. It's just extra stuff over there, but you can't really even see that. Let's get into these drawers right here real quick. Up here I have like all my smell good stuff, like roll-on perfumes. All my Bath and Body Works is running out at the same time, but I like to get everything out of my bottles, so that's why they kind of look a little low. I gotta re-up. Then I got some like body cream back there and baby oil. This one is like for my son, his lotions right there. Then I have like my deodorants. I have a body butter back there, like a fading stretch mark body butter. Then you see I got my stretch mark creams right here. Then I got some Vaselines right here. I got like alcohol, different percentage, and I got some witch hazel stuff to take my makeup off. Y'all see these right here? These, I'm gonna do a video on these, and these are like the makeup erasers, and they just supposed to wipe your makeup completely off without you having to use like a wipe or anything like that. But I'm gonna review them. Those are coming soon, y'all, so y'all stay tuned for that. I got some bath bombs and a little extra stuff, A&D ointment. I got some masks up under here, but I don't know if I'm gonna use those masks because my skin's just acting crazy. Then this is like my hair bows and rubber bands and gloves and bobby pins. all that's in there. And this like a little miscellaneous kind of drawer. It's my some makeup palettes. Y'all, when I do my makeup at home, I don't be doing it for real, for real. If I'm at the shop, that's when I go full out when I do my makeup. But here, I be doing something. Oh, excuse me. I be trying to do something really quick. Oh, don't look at my toes. But yeah, I be trying to do something really quick. So I rarely dip into those because I don't do eyeshadow and all that while I'm at home. Like I got body gloves, the exfoliant gloves, and like some traveling essentials down there. So yeah, that's basically it. I got little stuff up under there in my trash can. Yeah, that's basically it for my area. I love how it came out. I love how this look, even though it took me forever to try and put it together, and it's not all that like, but you can't really tell, but it's cute from the outside. You can't tell what's really going on. Yeah, and everything else, it just looks so cute, and everything came together. So now that I got this area good, when I get my apartment, it'll be my second apartment, I have everything for my vanity. The last thing I would have to get is one of the vanity mirrors, maybe like something kind of big, because this I kind of, it's not all that, like I can't really see in there. But yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna show y'all a video of everything like in after this video, so you can see how it look all together. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Peace.